Hi, I'm Carrie Wilson, and I'm the Executive Director for the Brant Community Healthcare System Foundation. We are so exceptionally grateful to Mott Manufacturing for being this year's matching sponsor for the 2023 Hope for Healthcare campaign.
Mott is a manufacturer of specialty furniture used in laboratories. We are a private company and we have just celebrated 60 years in business. We have 2 manufacturing facilities, one here, one in West Virginia, and we have 2 distribution companies. Overall, we have over 500 employees.
We provide a wide variety of laboratory casework, fume hoods, and systems furniture. Our product supports some of the next generation of scientists by furnishing some of the best science, technology, and engineering classrooms, as well as hospitals, hospital labs that keep people healthy, and we're proud to say that we've won Lab of the Year the last 2 to 3 years. A true commitment to our people and our product.
There is a great workforce in Brantford Brant, and that is the key to our success. We are very fortunate to have great employees, and we do our best to take care of them. We are supporting the hospital because we firmly believe in the concept of giving back. Brantford has proven to be a great location for us to operate our business, and we feel it's important to support the community.
This year's campaign, we are raising critically needed funds in support of purchasing patient equipment for the emergency department at the Brantford General. Mott Manufacturing will be matching all donations up to $100,000 when you contribute to the BCHS's Hope for Healthcare campaign. Not only is Mott Manufacturing a leading employer in Brantford, but they are also leading the way through philanthropy in our community. Thank you for your support, and thank you to Mott Manufacturing.